Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an employee's schedule. So to create an employee schedule, we'll just on the main menu go over here to the right option that says schedule. Opening it will allow us to select which shop we want to schedule an employee from. We'll choose our shop, and then we can scroll and pick whatever employee we want to set a schedule for. Now we can go up here to where it says create to create a schedule for this employee. It will ask us for the admin key if you're in store mode. And then from here we just select the start and end time for the days that the employee will be working. You just go like this. And then you can select their off days. And when you're finished, you just scroll to the bottom and set schedule.